5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Flat 3 left, 40. Flat 1 right long, 40. 6 left long, tightens. Tightens here. And flat 2 right long. And flat 2 right long again, 200 up the hull. We'll repeat 200 up the hull, middle over flat crest 60, long 2 right tightens, so tightens here, tightens 100, 6 right long, repeat 6 right long, underlined 400 over flat crests, so it's 400 here. You can see it, 3 left long and okay, so it's a 3, 100 after it, a 4 left, and a flat 1 right over crest, it's a 4, 60 slowing, 6 right through the posts here, 150 up the middle, through the posts, 60, grass continues, middle over flat crest, okay, 40 down, flat 1 left, okay, 200 through a dip. Yep. Flat 2 right, watch the grass now, come back, 200. Jordan. Middle through posts, 60. Flat 1 right, 40. Flat 1 left, okay, 250. Yep. You don't know what the grip's like now? Yeah. 2 left. Come back to 2. And middle over crest long. And flat 1 left, okay. 150 down. Slippy braking. Slowing 3 left. 4 right, tightens into 6 right. You don't know what it's like now. 6 right, past the lane. And 5 left. Go now. 100. Middle flat crest, 130. Flat 1 right long, okay, 60. And crest slowing 20 to 3 right. So crest slowing 20 to 3 right. 80. Flat 1 left. Only 40 to 3 left. Only 40 to 3 left. 80 to 4 right. And only 40 to hairpin left. Very tight, neat. Only 40. Hairpin left. Very tight, neat, neat. 250. Repeat 250 down here. Middle over Bob crossroads. Yeah. And the flat 2 left, 200. Middle over flat crest, okay, 60 down. 2 left long and late. Repeat 2 left long and late. And flat 1 right over small crest, 100. Flat 1 right, 200. Flat 1 left over crest, okay, and 2 left in, 150, come back a wee bit, come back, 150, flat 2 left in, okay, and flat 1 right over small crest, and big stop, 1 left over crest, only 20, to 6 right long, come back, 6 right long, very good, 40 out of it. 5 left long, repeat 5 left long, come back. And flat 1 left, and flat 2 left long, okay. And middle over flat crest, okay, 200. Flat 1 right, 170. 1 right long over crest, only 40 to 5 right, very long. You've only 40 to 5 right, very long. Come back, nice and neat, it's very long. 170 after, very long, remember, 170. Flat 2 left long, past the junction, 80. Flat 1 right long, 300 up the middle. Brilliant there. 300 up the middle. Caution, 2 right over middle, crest bump. Remember, it's a 2 right, come back a bit, middle. And 300 down the middle.
Yeah.
Caution, 3 left long, tightens, and the 6 left, care. So you have to come away back. 6 left, care, 6 left here. And flat 2 left, long over crest, okay. 40, flat 1 left, 350. Middle over crest, okay. 60 down, 2 left long, slowing. 40 to hairpin right long. So remember, 60 down, 2 left long, slowing. 40 to hairpin right long. 60. 5 right, tightens over crest, remember, definitely tightens. And flat 3 left in.
John, you right.
John's right. 3 left in, 40. 2 right past the junction, 40. 2 right long.
That's not a fucking 2
Not
there.
flat there, no. 2 right long here. 60, care, 5 left, mud, come back for 5 left. Mud here, 40. 3 right long, 200, very narrow, stop, unseen, 1 right, sudden acute left, very tight, remember, handbrake on this one, handbrake, very tight, nice and neat, go, 150 up the middle,
Don't brake.
come on, so you'll have to get grip. The next one is hairpin right, and hairpin left out of it. So it's hairpin right, and then hairpin left out of it.
That's a fucking joke.
Come on, come on, come on. That's it. Flat 3 right, 60. Flat 1 left long, and flat 1 right over small crest, okay. 150 down the middle. Slowing 1 left, to 6 left in. Remember, slowing 1 left, 6 left in. Flat 4 right, 150 up the middle, it's a 4. Tight 5 left. Tight 5 left here. It's slippier, it's slippier. Flat 3 right, 100. Flat 1 left over small crest, okay, 150. A 2 left half long, definitely tightens, you underlined it. Remember, definitely tightens. Definitely tightens, 200 down the middle after it. And then care, 2 right, 100. Remember, care, 2 right, 100. 3 left, and 2 right, and sudden 6 left. Sudden 6 left here, 40. 5 left plus.
Yep.
Remember,
Yes,
flat
go.
2 left, and 4 right long, slowing at the hairpin left. Slowing at the hairpin left. 60. Flat 1 left, 100. Flat 1 left over crest, okay, 150. Flat 1 right continues for 250, and then 100 up the hill. It just continues, keeps going on around. 100 up the hill. 1 right continues again, and then 2 right tightens, and the hairpin right. 2 right and the hairpin right at the logs here. Sorry, too soon. 200 up the hill, sorry about that.
You alright?
Looking for a marker. 200 up the hill, watch the shafts, easy. It's the shafts. Square left up the top, ruts maybe. Ruts maybe up here on the square left. And flat 4 right opens, and flat 1 right long. 230 up the hill. Flat crest, flat 1 left, okay. 300 through a dip, watch yourself. Crest, 1 left, okay. 300 through a dip.
Sorry, Dad.
A 2 left, and a 3 left, very long. So watch the 3 left is very long, and they have 4 right. 3 left here, remember, and they have 4 right. Four right here. 60. 6 left, rough. Repeat, 6 left, rough. 40. And stop. 3 left, hairpin right, neat. Remember, hairpin right, neat. Watch along on the inside there. 200 out here.
Lost 6 right.
6 right up here. Tight. Remember, tight. 6 right tight. 40 out of it. Flat 3 right. 40. A 3 left plus 100. And a 3 right definitely tightens over crest. Definitely tightens. 130 up the middle to a 4 left. Repeat. 4 left. Next one here. 40 after it. Flat 1 right. 40. Flat 2 left, okay. And 40. Yeah, flat 1 right over crest, okay. Flat 1 left over crest, okay. 350 down the middle. Yeah. Next one's a 3 right. So 3 right, come back for 3 right. And 60 after it, 60. Yeah, flat 1 right, 40. To a 2 right, 40. To a 4 left. Come back to the 4 left. 40 up the hill, 6 left in. Repeat, 6 left in. And the 6 right. And 5 left plus 40. Flat 2 left long, okay. 60. Flat 1 right, 170. Flat 1 left long, okay, 40. Flat 1 right, 130. To a 4 left long, change the surface. 4 left long. And flat 3 right over crest, okay. 60. 4 left long over the finish. That's a 4 left long. Keep it going to red board. Long, long. Good man, well done.